Hey, what's up, Shiba holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. My friends, as you know, it is the last day of month. It is the last day of month, and people doing a very big mistake at this time. So, my friends, please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. My friends, if you do this mistake, so you're in the loss, and if you don't do this mistake, so absolutely you will get a good amount of profit from the Shiba. Let me show you, friends, how you can get a profit from a Shiba. My friends, I request everyone, my friends, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. And if you have any type of question about Shiba, so please ask me. I will try to answer your question, my friends. Let's start the video, friends. First of all, we look the latest update of Shiba, and after that we discuss that what's going on this time. We discuss the mistake of orders, my friends. Now, the latest update of Shiba in this time in the market is now the latest price is 0.0008 USD dollar, my friends. Similarly, if you look the price change to in the Shiba, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 day pricing is positive. From the previous days, they start moving upward, they start jumping, my friends. Anyways, if you look the latest update, so you can see here from the yesterday take a jump, so that means that the jumping time of the Shiba are start now. So my friends, it's time to celebrate, my friends. First of all, congratulations everyone. Let's see the more updates, what's going on. The price chart we see. Let's see, my friends, what's going on this time in Shiba. I'm feeling very happy and satisfied, my friends. Please don't do this mistake. If you do, so you are in the loss. Don't decide to sell, my friends. Once again, the jumping time of the Shiba or starts now, so be ready and be enjoy, my friends. It's time to enjoy because the Shiba are going to the moon, my friends. It's time to celebration. Please tell me your opinion. How do you feel about Shiba token today, my friends? I'm feeling very happy because they start moving upward, and I know this jump will continue for a long time, friends. This jump will continue for a long time, my friends. That is why I'm very happy to see this gun. And you know what? I'm holding 2.5 billion Shiba token. That's why I'm in a profit. So I'm feeling very happy, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? And please also tell me in the comment box how many Shiba token you are holding at this time. Tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.